Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you mangosteen juice. I hope you all enjoy this one. I'm going to show you the ingredients, what we're going to be using today, and then we're going to get on with the process. Right, so this is the mangosteen juice that I'm going to be using. I don't know if you've seen this in any of the shops. You most probably get it in some of the Indian stores. This one was donated by one of the shop owners. So this is what the fruit looks like, and they're taking it out. You can use this to do cakes and all that, but you hardly see the fruits around for sale. So I'm going to be using this juice out of this to do this recipe today. This is just a trial what I'm doing. Got some ground ginger and some demerara sugar. We've got some water. We've got some maple syrup. Got our lemon, some vanilla. I'm going to be using a little bit of almond as well. And I'm going to need a jug and a whisk. Right, so we're just going to show you the process of this one now. Just getting our camera lined up a bit. So we're going to put into that our maple syrup. Then we're going to put in our ginger and our demerara sugar. If you want to use a fresh ginger, then you can liquidize it with the water and then strain it off. I'm just using the powdered one. Then I'm going to add our mangosteen. Make sure you give it a good shake. It's like looks like a leech sort of juice. So I'm going to give that a good whisk through until our sugar dissolves. So if you're liking this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. And if you've got any ideas for any videos, please let us know. We can't do everything at once, but we will do what we can. And if you see us not doing something, you know, we might just do a little small portion of it, because a lot of us, we don't eat certain things. We've got a lot of different allergies in the family, so we have to bear that in mind when we're doing our recipes as well. Right, so we've got that. So I'm going to be putting in 1 cup of vanilla. I'm going to be putting in 1/2 cup of almond. This is a strong almond, so that's all gone in. Gonna put in a little bit of our lime or lemon. You can use either. You can see it's already juicy already. Right, so that's about how much we need. So I'm going to just give that a good whisk through. And at this stage you want to taste it and see how much water you need to put in. And I think you need just a little bit of water, you don't need a lot. I'm just going to put that much in. I'm going to whisk this through, and then once we've done that we'll get back to you. Right, so we've got everything in and everything whisked through. So we're just going to pour out a glass and show you what it looks like on a glass. I should have served this with some ice, but I'm going to chill it down still. So we're just going to zoom in the camera so you can see what it looks like in a glass. And that's our mangosteen juice for you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And if you see any products that you want us to see what we can do with it, please let us know. We'll try and get hold of it and see if we can make a recipe out of it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you all on the next video. Thank you.